Welcome to How to Use AI and Automation, the podcast for beginners who want to stop drowning in admin and start working smarter. If you're already deep into coding and prompt engineering, this show probably isn't for you. But if you want simple, clear ways to actually use AI in your day-to-day work or projects, you're in the right place. Today's episode is about one of the most common mistakes people make with AI. They treat it like Google. One question, one answer, done. But AI is not a search engine, it's a thinking partner. And today I'll show you how to use that shift to get dramatically better results. Big idea. Most people are using AI like a vending machine. Type a short prompt, get a long answer, move on. But the real power of AI, especially tools like ChatGPT, only shows up when you treat it like a brainstorming partner. That means back and forth dialogue, refining your ideas, challenging assumptions. Think of it like this. Google gives you facts. AI helps you think through problems. What makes someone effective with AI is not the prompts they copy and paste. It's how well they frame the problem, ask better follow-ups, and dig deeper. Let me give you a real example. A friend of mine was preparing a workshop on productivity. She asked ChatGPT, what are the best time management tips? It gave her a bland list, time blocking, prioritization, Pomodoro technique. She was just about to close the tab, but then she tried something different. She said, okay, pretend I'm a creative freelancer with ADHD. I've tried all those techniques and they don't stick. What else could I try? Now the answers were more specific, more human, and more useful. Ideas like body doubling, using novelty to spark focus, and custom workflows in Notion. Same AI, better conversation. So how do you actually do this? Here's a simple 3-step flow to move from Google mode to thinking partner mode. Step 1, expand. After your first prompt, don't stop. Ask, can you expand on that? What would this look like for me in my situation? What's a better way to approach this? Step 2, refine the 5 whys. The 5 whys method originated with the Toyota Motor Corporation and is closely associated with Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota. I think he developed this in the 1930s. So let's walk through the 5 whys properly with an actual concrete AI use case. So imagine this scenario. A health coach asks ChatGPT, how can I get more clients? AI gives the usual stuff, improve your website, post on social media, etc. But now let's apply the 5 whys to refine the problem. Why do I need more clients? Because I'm not hitting my monthly income goal. Why am I not hitting my income goal? Because I'm only converting 1 in 10 discovery calls. Why am I only converting 1 in 10? Because most of them say they can't afford it or need to think about it. Why are they saying that? Because they don't understand the value of the service. They think it's just basic advice. Why don't they understand the value? Because I haven't clearly shown how coaching actually changes outcomes in their lives. So the real problem uncovered, the issue isn't how to get more clients. It's how to communicate the value of coaching more effectively, likely through stories, case studies, and better onboarding content. This is where ChatGPT becomes truly helpful. Now you can ask, help me craft a story that shows the real transformation a coaching client had in a way that builds trust with someone on the fence. That's how you go from generic noise to actionable signal. Step 3, explore alternatives. Ask it to think in different directions. For example, what are 3 completely different ways to solve this? How would an expert challenge your answer? What's a contrarian take on this idea? Try speaking to it using dictation, e.g. the ChatGPT mobile app. It helps you treat it like a real conversation and unlocks better responses. Before your next chat with AI, try this. Ask your usual question, then immediately ask, what question should I have asked you instead? Or, what's the real problem here? You'll be shocked how much further that takes you. Now, if anything today wasn't clear, or if you want to practice asking better prompts, come join my free How to Use AI Facebook group. It's a safe, jargon-free place to learn, ask questions, and get support. Links are in the show notes, and I look forward to seeing you next week.